Hey, what is up guys, my name is Iwan and welcome back to my channel. And in today's videos we are going to talk about why your external mic doesn't work on your phone and how to prevent it. And if you're new to this channel, please consider to subscribe and turn on the bell notification because there will be a lot of other contents that I will be going to post and upload into this channel. There will be a lot like short films, reviews, me trying to do stupid stuff, comedies, entertainment, and a lot of stuff, vlog and everything. And yeah, it's Boya, and I did a video reviewing it a few days ago, and you should go check it out. In today's, we are going to try this out first. This thing. What this is it's an AUX, but it has two slots for microphone and headphones. I'm going to try this out first because I've tried it out a few days ago, but I didn't record it. I tried it out on my laptop and it's working with this Boya microphone, Lavier microphone. It's working using this in my laptop. It's working fine as long as you turn it on. So we're going to try this out first. So I'm going to use my second phone here, and yeah, this is the mic. So let me tell you why it's not working on your phone. It's because your phone camera it doesn't support external microphone. That is why it's not your mic doesn't work and your audio doesn't appearing in your video. So here's the Boya microphone. So this is my phone, and we are going to try out the recorder first. So in your phone, recorder work fine if you use Lavier microphone because the recorder in your application recorder in your phone work just fine because it supports the external microphone for easy purposes of making presentation, I think. See, it's work, but the Boya microphone seems a little bit too, the audio it's a little bit too slow. It's low volume, I mean low volume. And now we are going to try out this. So let's plug it in. So let's try if it's work. And yeah, let's try. Testing 1 2 3, testing. If you can hear it, testing 1 2 3. Then I go 4, testing 1 2 3. If it's have a difference, we can know. Testing 1 2 3, 1 2 3, testing. Alright, there it is. Oh. Testing 1 2 3, testing. If you can hear it, testing 1 2 3. Then I go 4, testing 1 2 3. If it's have a difference, we can know. Testing 1 2 3. So it looks like the method that we use doesn't work. Don't worry, I have another solutions, because that is just the audio from the phone. It's the microphone from the phone, so it's not the Lavier microphone doesn't work. So we're going to show you another method on how to make it work. So you go on Play Store and you download this application, Open Camera. So then you don't need to use this now. So if you have this application, you don't need to use this now. You just need the microphone. And you go to setting. And then you go to video setting, audio source, and use it, and then click the external mic. So you can use external mic for your any recording, any video record that you record. You can use external microphone like this Lavier microphone. So that's the solutions, and now you can record. Alright, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Now I'm going to put it far. Testing 1 2 3 1 2 3, testing. So you can see the difference. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. So it's working. The audio change when I go far and go closer to the mic. Because when I go closer to the mic, you can hear the audio, and when I put it far, I can't even hear the microphone. The problem is with this Boya microphones, the Boya microphone Lavier. The audio from the microphone is a little bit too slow. The volume is too low, so that's a bit of disadvantage. And yeah, I hope you learned something from this video, and thanks for watching. Alright guys, I hope you learned something from this video, and thanks for watching. And don't forget to like the video and comment down below what you want me to do next. I'm down to try doing it, or you can give me a short film idea. I can try and shoot it with alone. Yeah, comment down below what you want me to do next, and suggest anything down in the comments. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.